corona spread, pandemic. Okay. Now it is infectious fluid or it is living fluid whenever it is present inside the host. It is contagium vivum fluidium. The term was given by this line was given by Bijnik. Now let us talk about the features. Viruses basically they were not placed in any of the kingdom according to R.H. Whitaker, because they are showing the link between living and non-living things. They are showing some living character whenever present inside the body of host. They are showing non-living characters whenever they are present outside the host. Whenever they are free. Let us talk about the non-living features. There is absence of protoplasm. They don't have protoplasm. Respiratory system involved. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो आपके पास रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम है, इट इज नॉट 80%, इट इज ATP बेटा. ठीक है, तो यहां पे आप लिखोगे, लिख लो, इसको करेक्ट कर दो इस लाइन को. रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम इन्वॉल्व डोंट हैव ATP. ATP इज एब्सेंट. करेक्ट करो इस लाइन को बच्चे. करेक्ट इट एज रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम इन्वॉल्व in ATP synthesis is involved, absent. तो ATP को बनाने वाला जो रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम है वो है ही नहीं. रेस्पायर ही नहीं कर सकता है वो वाला सिस्टम से. ठीक है, मतलब जो हमारी बॉडी में क्रेब्स साइकिल चल रहा है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में काम चल रहे हैं, ETS इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम चल रहा है, वो कुछ भी नहीं है यहां पर बेटा. ठीक है, तो रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम विच इज इन्वॉल्व फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ ATP. लाइन को करेक्ट करो. रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम विच इज इन्वॉल्व फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ ATP इज एब्सेंट. ये लिखना है इस जगह, इस लाइन की जगह. मैं कट कर रहा हूं इस लाइन को. दिस इज सम टाइपिंग एरर, सॉरी फॉर दैट. तो प्लीज करेक्ट दिस लाइन. कट कर दिया. ओके. Now, independent existence, it is not shown by the viruses. They are non-living whenever they are free. They are independent. They are obligate intracellular parasite. They are living inside the cell, within the cell, and they are obligate parasite. Means strictly they are parasitic in nature. But whenever they are present inside the cell, growth is absent. Specific gravity is high as in the non-living entities. बेटा याद रखना, जो non-living entities होती है उनकी specific gravity is more than 1. It is high always. और ऐसी इनकी भी देखी गई है. और they can crystallized. और crystallization भी non-living things की ही करी जा सकती है. Both they are non-living characters. Now let us talk about the living characters. They are made up of organic compounds. Yes, हम भी तो organic compounds से बने. Living feature. They contain the genetic material. Very important thing, DNA or RNA can be present here in the viruses. It is living feature. Presence of proteins, living feature. Enzymes like lysozyme, reverse transcriptase. If the enzymes are present, they are biocatalysts. They are present means living property. Infectious हैं, living property. Ability to show changes, mutation. तुमने पढ़ा, तुमने सुना कि पहले आई फर्स्ट वेव, फिर सेकेंड वेव में म्यूटेंट आ गया, वो वायरस ने, कोरोना ने अपने को चेंज कर दिया. तो एबिलिटी टू शो म्यूटेशन और फास्ट म्यूटेशन शो कर रहा है भाई. बड़ी तेज म्यूटेशन होती है इसमें. ठीक है ना. दे कैन बी किल्ड बाय ऑटोक्लेविंग. नॉट ऑल, सम ऑफ देम, सम ऑफ द वायरसेस दे कैन बी किल्ड बाय ऑटोक्लेविंग. दैट इज हाई टेम्परेचर ट्रीटमेंट एंड UV rays. They can also kill the viruses. Now let us talk about what are the components of viruses basically. So first of all we will be talking about nucleic acid. Genetic material. Genetic material can be DNA first of all. Those viruses which are having DNA as a genetic material, they are called as deoxyviruses. What they are known as? They are known as deoxyviruses. Now DNA can be double stranded or can be single stranded. Let us first of all talk about double stranded DNA. So double stranded DNA are present in the pox viruses, cauliflower mosaic viruses. Example we are giving here beta. Double stranded DNA is present in the pox virus as well as cauliflower mosaic virus. Now, where the single-stranded DNA they are present, single-stranded DNA they are present in the 5x174 virus and M13 virus. Okay, these are viruses. They are named like this. Scientists ने इनको ऐसे नाम दिए, ठीक है? तो we call it as 5x174 and M13 virus. ऐसा ही करेंगे because scientist ने इसको नाम दिया है. नाम दिया तो हमें नाम को ऐसे ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Okay बच्चा? Now the RNA is a genetic material. If the RNA is the genetic material of the nucleic acid present, the viruses they are called as ribovirus. If the RNA is single-stranded, it is present in the tobacco mosaic virus, influenza virus, foot and mouth disease virus, and HIV virus. Single-stranded virus they are like this. Okay? And if we are talking about double-stranded RNA, the double-stranded RNA they are present in the reovirus and wound tumor viruses. The reovirus as well as wound tumor viruses they are having double-stranded RNA as a genetic material or the nucleic acid. So ये हो गया हमारे पास about the component of viruses. First component. Second component we can call it as capsid. Capsid is what? It is the proteinaceous part which is forming the outermost covering. ठीक है? The units of capsid they are called as capsomer. The unit of the capsid they are called as what? The capsomer. Capsid they are nothing. They are basically the proteins. Number of capsid in each of the viruses is fixed. For example, in case of TMV, the number of capsomers they are 2130 in number. Arrangement of the capsomer basically it is providing what? It is providing the shape. Okay? The third component is envelope. Envelopes they are made up of lipids, carbohydrates and proteins. The envelope basically is formed up of lipid, carbohydrate and protein. They are the organic compounds. Organic compounds. Organic compound थे तो living थे तो envelope इनका organic compound से बना है. Envelope अगर वो present है, envelope हो भी सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता है, जरूरी नहीं envelope सब में होगा. Envelope अगर present है तो enveloped virus होगा like HIV. HIV में envelope present होता है बेटा. अगर envelope absent है तो they are called as naked virus, as the polio virus as well as reovirus. So naked virus if the envelope is absent, and if envelope is present तो enveloped virus, enveloped में HIV and naked में polio and reovirus. Examples. Subunits of the envelope are called as papillomeres. If there is subunits of the envelope present, they are called as papillomeres. Now enzymes are another components of the viruses. They can be present, they cannot be present. They are occasionally present बेटा. ठीक है? Enzymes like lysozyme is present in the region that comes in contact with the host cell in the bacteriophage. Bacteriophage are those viruses which can attack the bacteria. तो basically अगर हम बैक्टीरिया को लाइसोजाइम से ट्रीट कर देते हैं तो लाइसोजाइम्स क्या करते हैं? पूरे के पूरे बैक्टीरिया को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं. और यही प्रॉपर्टी तो वायरसेस यूज कर रहे हैं. तो वायरसेस क्या कर रहे हैं? जो ये मान लो वायरस है और ये पूरा बैक्टीरिया है. बैक्टीरिया का जिस पार्ट के साथ में वायरस और बैक्टीरिया का जिस पार्ट पर कनेक्शन हो रहा है उस पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट में वो रिलीज कर रहे हैं क्या? लाइसोजाइम. और लाइसोजाइम पूरे बैक्टीरिया को किल कर देंगे. बैक्टीरियोसाइटल प्रॉपर्टी हो जाती है. अदर एंजाइम्स लाइक न्यूरैमिनिडेज इन द इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस. इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस के पास में एक एंजाइम है न्यूरैमिनिडेज. फिर आरएनए पॉलीमरेजेस हो सकते हैं, रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेजेस हो सकता है एज इन केस ऑफ एचआईवी, रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज. देन प्लांट वायरसेस हो गए. सारे कंपोनेंट कंप्लीट हो गए बेटा. ऑल द कंपोनेंट्स दे आर कंप्लीटेड टिल हियर. नाउ कुछ सम अदर इंफॉर्मेशन. द प्लांट वायरसेस इफ दे आर प्रेजेंट, तो प्लांट वायरसेस के लिए हम नाम क्या देते हैं? फाइटो मींस प्लांट. फैजिने, फाइटोफैजिने दे आर नेम्ड given for the plant viruses. Basically the plant viruses they are single stranded. याद रखना बेटा ये important feature है. Plant viruses they are single stranded generally. Animal viruses को zoo means animal, phagine means viruses. तो ऐसे viruses जो animals को attack करते हैं they are called as zoophagine. And animal viruses हो सकते हैं double stranded DNA और single stranded या double stranded RNA. सारी category हो सकती है animal में. And the bacterial viruses which attack the bacteria, they are called as bacteriophages and they are again double-stranded DNA only. Important याद रखना, what type of genetic material is present in the plant viruses or the animal viruses or the bacterial viruses. Okay बच्चा. Now see, this is the diagram given in your NCERT. So A is what? It is tobacco mosaic virus, where you are able to see the RNA. ठीक है? In the tobacco mosaic virus, what type of RNA is there? It is single stranded RNA. You can mention it as here. How many capsid they are present? 2130. है ना? Such number of 2130 capsomeres they are present here. And in the case of the second, it is bacteriophage. It is a bacteriophage. Example, bacteriophage is having three things. One is the head. This head region contains DNA. Here the head region is containing DNA. In this head region the DNA is present like this. ठीक है? और this DNA is double stranded, क्योंकि हमने पढ़ा bacteriophages they are having double stranded DNA. तो head region में there is presence